good day today on the bike. As promised though, I'm going to clean it up, make it look like brand new. He's got it pretty shiny. I can do a better job. We're going to use some of this stuff. You've seen this. Engine Bright. You've seen that stuff on my bike. It made it look like brand new. We're going to put some of that on. I picked this up at the Bobby's Harley-Davidson down there. We're going to use that. We're going to use some of this here glass cleaner. Terry got me that for Christmas. I'm going to use that and clean up his windshield and everything else. A lot of people don't like their rigs, bikes pressure washed because they're afraid the water gets in here and rusts everything, which it could. So we're not going to do that. It's not dirty really. The windshield is. We're going to use that cleaner for that. I got some wet tire stuff for the tires. But once I get it all cleaned up, what we're going to do is we're going to use my F11. You know about that. I'm affiliated with it. Of course, nobody's bought any, so it doesn't matter. I ain't making no money on the deal. But anyway, if you want to buy it, there's a link. I'll put a link on here for you. I'm going to give that a total cover with this. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to start off with just getting me a paper towel and cleaning the windshield. And we may make this go real fast. You hear that noise in the background? That's the little woman here stomping up behind me. Aren't you stomping up behind me? Come on. Oh, that's off. We got to get it on. Anyway, I'm going to clean the bike. And that works pretty good. Then we're going to put the F11 on it, and I'm going to do this right now while I'm talking to you. And then I'm going to zoom in on that motor. Just as soon as I get this clean, and show you before and after. That works pretty good. Almost works as good as Windex. And it's only twice the price, I'm sure. But we're going to clean it up like so, get the bugs off all the glass. Because I think we might, you go somewhere tomorrow. Okay, now I clean it up. But that's here and there. I'm going to show you the engine now, and then we'll do a side-by-side on it when we get her done. Okay, here's the, look how chrome it is. I mean, it's shiny. But if you look right here, it's dull black. Dull black. Because the black, and then down in here, look how dull this is. Well, been waiting for it to cool off. It's pretty cool now. I can touch it, so it's cool. We're gonna blacken that up, and then we're gonna put the F11 on there. I'll show you how we're gonna do that. I think we're going to do the F11 first. So let's get that ready. Well, I went over the whole thing with glass cleaner. Glass cleaner will not only clean your glass, if you didn't know, it'll clean your chrome, it'll clean about anything. So I wiped it all over cleaned all the paint up, and I did all the chrome. And so now what we're going to do is going to do the F11 right this minute. Okay, the bike's not very big. Hang on to that slippery little thing. Bike's not very big, so I'm going to squirt the whole thing down. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to wipe the whole thing, and using the proper rags. Like first off, we put this on it, and then we wipe the wax in with that. Then we got another one we take the wax off with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here. Let's put a little spritz on it. And I'm going to take this, wipe this on it. That'll get it all on there. And they say it don't take much, so that wasn't much. We're going to spritz a little up here. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing, wipe that in there. Like so. Gonna get a little more spritzing on that one. Camera work might not be so great. Okay, anyway, that's what I'm going to do the rest of the bike. Then we're going to come back and buff it off. But that's what we're doing now. Putting on the F11. Okay, this bike was pretty shiny to begin with. But it's more so now, that's for sure. We got the F11 all on it. And let it set, then we buffed it off. Now I'm going around to make sure I didn't miss a spot. And that is shiny. You can see me pretty dang good in there. Now, see, all my rigs are white, so it's hard for me to tell. But that one's still shining. And I did this one 4 months ago now. And it's still really shiny. So, now then, I got that done. We're going to block up the motor now. Walk around it again, make sure I didn't miss any places that need to be buffed a little bit. And I'm going to block the motor now. Okay, so you can see just how bad that is. That is pretty not black. That's gray. We're going to do that right now. Well, we got rid of all the gray. And now, all that was gray in there, not gray no more. And got the thing is shiny. Got rid of all that. That was all gray, remember that? Alright, I guess you do, because it's just this last clip. But now I'm going to hit it again and see if I missed any chrome spots. I've noticed I missed a few spots on the chrome. We'll get that, and then I think we're going to have to call that good, because that is good. So I'm going to throw this one on here. Like I said, let me show you the products we used. We used that for your chrome and your glass. I'll probably use that on the tires. The F11 is right there. Already put it up. We use the F11 on the paint, and then we use this here on the engine brightening. Took it from gray to black. That's good stuff. I use that on my bike too. Well, I'll use all this stuff on my bike. So that's it for right now. My dinner's ready. I'm going to go eat that. And I think we're ready for a trip tomorrow. Need to clean the inside of that windshield, I guess. Got the outside okay. The inside's dirty now. So we'll get that done. Looking good, looking good. I don't even know what year it is. I've not been able to put that F11 on anything, on my motorcycle anyway. It works real good on the pickup. I can't wait to get it home and throw it on my black bike. Hey, maybe this helped you out a little bit. If it did, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more to go. Thanks.